said the question was find S3, right? Which means you are summing or you're adding the first three terms of a sequence, in this case, an arithmetic sequence. There's three ways in which we could do this. You guys are familiar with two ways. The manual way, first principles, the old-fashioned way, you just add the first three terms. That's about that, you get a 6. Or you could use the formula for the general term, the sum of an arithmetic sequence. This is the formula for it. Substituted, we've got a 6. Then the third way is what we call the sigma notation. How it comes with this symbol called sigma, and then next to the symbol we have tn, or basically inside the symbol we've got tn. Tn is just the general term of the sequence itself and not the series, just the sequence. So that is you not having the pluses in between or minus, whatever it may be. So now we found from our, the question that we were doing on this specific sequence, when it came like this, that the general term of this is 3n minus 4, and we just simply substituted the tn with that expression. So this is the sigma notation or presentation of the series, right? Now, the question was find S3. S3, different color. Let's use black. S3, sharp. Now, how do we use this sigma notation to find S3? So now, since you're looking at the first three terms, you're going to do this. Look, you're going to go sigma, ne? Everything remains the same, right? And then you put n equal to 1. Ne? And then there, since you're looking for the sum of the first three terms, you're going to put 3 there. Now, this thing has a meaning. And the meaning of it, I'm going to write it in English. It means this. I'm going to write it in English so that it makes sense. It's a symbol. The same way this thing means mister. This has a meaning as well. What does it say? It says the sum of the first 3 terms, basically, loosely speaking. I'm going to explain it in detail later. The sum of the first 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence, or of the sequence with general term 3n minus 4. What does that mean? This is what it means. The sum, you're adding the first 3 terms of this sequence with this general term there. So what does it mean? This is the meaning of it, but let's do it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to write this expression there, but substitute the first number you see there. So what I see there, or the thing that appears there, is 1. So in place of n, I'm going to put 1. I'm going to go, in place of n, I'm going to put 1 minus 4. I'm just rewriting this whole thing. So that is the first term, the first thing. Then plus this thing, summation, adding, sum, adding the first 3 terms starting from 1. That is starting by substituting from 1. But that is substituting from 1. Oh my God, tautology. So the next one will be 3. In place of n, you're going to put 2 now. The number that comes after this is 2. The minus 4 there. That is the second one. Lastly, 3, substitute 3. 3 there, minus 4. Then you're done. This is minus 1 if you calculate it. This is 2 if you calculate it. Then this is 5. So it's the sum of the first 3 terms. It's literally that. So this gives us an answer of 6. Do you guys see how we use sigma notation to find the sum of the first 3 terms? Yes, no, maybe, yes. Please ask if you don't. Everybody's good, yeah? Charlie, are you fine? Nkgoeng and Junior happy? All right. God is great. So yeah, that's about that. So yeah, that's what it is. If you ever come across something like this, ne, in an exam, same as that one, ne? Everything's the same. But the only difference is that there, it doesn't start at 0, it doesn't start at 1, sorry, it starts at 0. That means you're going to substitute like this. Start by substituting 0 there. Okay? And then summation means plus. Then 1. Summation means plus. Then 2. Summation means plus. Then the last one, 3. Ne? Then it will be minus 4, minus 1, um, 6 plus 2, plus 5. You see? So this is a different series. The difference between these two series, the difference between these two series is this one, its first term is minus 1, minus 4, while this one has a first term of minus 1. You see? So yeah, so you guys understand what I just wrote here? This is nice. Yeah, what is this thing? Yeah, so that's about that. And then here, if you like, if this, or rather if it was a 4, then it would end at 4. Instead of you stopping there, you would go that. Proper stuff. Now,